Hey you guys, it's Affiliate.Watch. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 10 travel affiliate programs that you can promote in 2024. Maybe you want to travel the world like me and you're creating travel content and you need a way to monetize that content with travel affiliate programs. This video is perfect for you. And I'm going to show you 2 free resources at the end of the video where you can find a huge list of travel affiliate programs. Now let's go ahead and get started. And if you guys don't know what Affiliate.Watch is, it's my platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs in the world completely for free. And the first travel affiliate program we're going to go over is Booking.com, which pays 4% commission, and Booking.com allows you to book hotels, flights, car rentals, accommodations, and much more. And then we have Rentalcars.com, which is a car rental service. It allows you to search, compare prices, save money on car rentals, and it pays 6% commission. And then we have Viator, which allows you to book awesome travel experiences, guided tours, and much more, and it's 8% commission. And then we have Hostelworld, which is the biggest app and platform out there to book hostels online anywhere in the world, and that pays 5 to 7% commission. And then we have Get Your Guide, which allows you to discover the world by booking awesome tours and experiences, and that pays 8 to 10% commission. And then we have Agoda, which is probably one of the biggest platforms in Asia and Southeast Asia for booking hotels, flights, you name it, they have it on their website, and they pay 7% commission. And then we have TripAdvisor, which is the biggest trip review platform in the world, and they pay 8 to 50% commission depending on which product. And then we have Travel Payouts, which is so awesome. They are the biggest travel affiliate network out there. And not only are they an affiliate network, they have an affiliate program where you can actually refer affiliate marketers or other travelers, and you will get 7% commission on all the commissions they earn for the first 2 years after they sign up. And then we have Saily, which you probably haven't heard of because it's a very new company. However, it's backed by NordVPN. NordVPN created it, and they're the biggest VPN company in the world. And Saily allows you to purchase eSIM cards on their website or app. And it's super convenient, and you can purchase eSIM cards for pretty much almost any country in the world, and they pay 15% commission. And then we have Trip.com, which allows you to buy train tickets, flights, hotels, and much more, and they pay up to 7% commission. And if you guys want to find a huge list of affiliate programs to join, then click the link down below, which will bring you to this page. And this is Travel Payouts Affiliate Network, and they have paid out over $67 million to affiliates since 2011. And all you need to do is click Get Started in the menu. So click the link down below, then click Get Started. It will bring you to this page, and you literally just put in your email, password, and click Create an Account. It's that easy. And then once you're in the dashboard, you can come here and click Programs and click All, and then you'll see all these different travel affiliate programs you can promote, and it will give you the commission breakdown, how long cookies last, and much more. So I highly recommend you guys sign up. This is the best travel affiliate network out there, and there's so many amazing opportunities and partnerships waiting to happen. And another great resource, of course, is Affiliate.Watch. We have a ton of affiliate programs, and we're listing more and more travel affiliate programs every single week. If you guys want to find more affiliate programs in different niches, then make sure to check out Affiliate.Watch. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.